Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see the grid lines. I've applied them to the camera before I've started the recording. It is because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So if we are on the camera, we have to tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find Restore Default Settings. Let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just confirm it. And actually nothing happened, but after getting back to the camera we can see that the grid lines immediately disappeared, so it means that for sure we just reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.